Alright, this is a Punch Your Mom review. Sorry about that, my brother's retarded. A Punch Your Mom review showing MP5K. This MP5K is, stop getting closer, retard. This MP5K is specially made. I had taken the hop up out of it. It doesn't shoot up anymore, it shoots straight. This is not the clip. If you can see, it is a battery. The hop up that had the BBs in it had broken off, so me and my cousin just made one. Pretty good. It holds like 200. It has a semi and automatic feature. This is safe here right now. This was from the last airsoft video that I had made. I was on the gray team, and I'm just showing this right now to actually show what it's about, and let's see how accurate it is. Alright, that was semi. Now we're going to go automatic. And let's have some fun with it. Follow me. Alright, follow me now. MP5K, custom made, deadly as hell, and I will see you on another video. Goodbye,